Today I'm cooking haricot with meatball soup. It is simple and delicious, suitable for everyone in the family. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 700 grams of haricot or winter melon, 2 stalks of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of salt, 20 grams of red dates, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 1.5 liters of water, 550 grams of minced pork, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Start with marinating the minced pork. Put all the minced pork in the mixing bowl. Add in half teaspoon of salt, quarter tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of oyster sauce, and all of the minced garlic. Mix until all the seasonings are well combined. Leave it aside. Next, cut the cilantro to about an inch length. Keep the root to put it in the soup. Leave it aside for garnishing later on. Next, cut the haricot. Remove both ends. Use the peeler to peel off the skin. Here is the haricot that we have peeled and washed. Cut it into quarter vertically. Then cut it into slices. The thickness should be about half centimeter or as preferred. Alright, the haricot is ready cut. Let's cook. Switch on the heat. Add in 1.5 liters of water, pepper, salt, sesame oil, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cilantro roots, and red dates. Give it a stir. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 5 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Add in all of the haricot. Give it a stir. Cover the pot and cook it for 8 minutes. While cooking the haricot, make the meatballs. Use a teaspoon to scoop the meat. The amount is as preferred. I am making a bite-sized meatball, so just a teaspoonful will do. Roll the meatball into a round shape and place it on the plate. Continue with the rest of the minced pork. Alright, the meatballs are ready. My apology, I didn't realize that the camera was off while the meatball went into the soup. After boiling the haricot for 8 minutes, I have added the meatball into the vigorously boiling soup. Stir for the evenly cook. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. After 4 minutes, the meatballs are cooked and the haricots are also soft. Now I can give it a taste. Oh wow, so delicious, perfect and sweet. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it's already delicious. Alright, the time is up and the simple soup is ready. Lastly, add in the cilantro leaves. Leave just a bit for garnishing later on. It looks so yummy. Let's dish out and serve. Sprinkle with cilantro leaves. Let's eat! Delicious! The soup is very sweet and tasty. Meatball is chewy and flavorful with a little hint of garlic. The haricot is sweet and soft. This will be perfect with rice, suitable for the elderly and also toddlers. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.